The Leica BLK3D Publisher functionality makes it easy to share 3D images via the cloud. Simply capture a 3D image, and make sure the BLK3D is connected to the internet and publish your 3D image. You can then share a link to the measurable image via email or other apps with clients, colleagues, or subcontractors. Once received, the shared link opens the 3D image in a web browser, and measurements can be created online. Every shared image is available in the cloud for 30 days, and links can be shared with multiple people.